Hello there, I'm Justin Wrench. I'm the Chairman of Braintree District Council and I'm here today at the Braintree Town Hall for the Green Career and Skills Day held by Braintree District Council.
Today is all about exploring new technologies, making sure that our future can be as sustainable and as healthy for us all to grow into as possible. We've got some great exhibitors here today. So it's not going to be like sitting in lessons, they're going to be hands-on experiences where you're going to be able to try new things out.
So they've been on sort of interactive workshops, they've got to go around. They've done things about making costume designs I've been in, renewable energy, so outside of grid serve and all about using electric cars. And they've also looked at different sort of careers that are out there.
Initiatives like today are absolutely invaluable. This is because they open the children's eyes to the impact of sustainability, and it will inspire them hopefully one day to take up a career to enable our planet to be even greener and more sustainable.